This is a pen. This is a better pen, a cooler pen, and a weighted pen. And today, I want to learn how to spin them.
That was really goddamn slick. I can't even act like that was cool. That was intentional, bro. That was sick.
So the story always goes, I turn on the computer, try to do something, and then get distracted by sticking up my feet and scrolling on Instagram. Then I came across a post which instantly caught my attention.
Bro.
I was completely mesmerised by what I was watching. And I said, I reckon I could do that. The most fundamental trick to master is called the thumb around. And as the name implies, the pen goes around your thumb. Sounds easy? Let me tell you, at first it was far from it. It was a slow and painful process from not being able to even hold the pen to not being able to spin the pen. Waving my arms definitely didn't help either. But then, I got the pen to spin, and on the very next attempt, it clicked.
If we hold it in here at the middle and flick and hold it horizontally, it's not going to work. But if we hold it up towards the top and hold it at like a 45-degree angle, it'll then should flick around my finger. Very, very nicely actually. Very nicely in fact. Ready?
By holding the pen towards one end and simply clicking your fingers, the pen wants to rotate around your thumb. The only thing you have to do is get your index finger out of the pen's way, and lastly, just catch it. This literally works with any pen, drumstick, or squirty cream for that matter. Now the second trick to understand is the charge. It can be repeated to become the same spin that drummers do. But is it as easy as it looks? I began by holding the pen between my middle and index fingers and simply tried to make small circles, because if you can't make small circles, you can't make big circles. Although for a little while I was questioning whether or not I knew what a circle was, because it just wasn't working. I found making circles with the shorter and lighter pens a lot harder than doing so with a longer, more weighty pen. I was kinda getting it, but nowhere near to the extent that a longer pen gives you. The only thing you need to know about the charge though is with a lighter pen, because it's light and not really long, it doesn't really move in your fingers. Pretty much no matter how light you grasp the pen, it doesn't move overly smooth compared to a much longer and heavier thing. It flows so much better. Even with slightly longer and slightly more weighted, it still works so much better than just a light pen. So I would say this trick, rather hard. Props to you if you can do it with this, but very difficult. Never played drums before in my life, but you would think it. Whoa, what did I just do? That wasn't a charge or a thumb around. This was the final trick I wanted to learn. It's called, prepare yourself, a thumb flap charge reverse into a fingerless thumb around reverse. Quite the mouthful, I know. You must first begin by making a small hole for the pen to rest in, and then try to make the pen move in a circle. And then when you've reached the end of this circle, move your index finger out of the way and let the pen swivel around your thumb. The pen would catch my index finger, so I had to get it out of the way quicker. We'll resume in just a moment.
So fast. So fast, man. That guy's so cool, isn't he?
Continuing, after what felt like 1,000 attempts and 1,000 drops, it finally happened. I was too stunned to speak, and then it happened again, and again. And again. The more I practiced it, the more fluid it would become. Even though it was pretty consistent, I still would get excited nonetheless. Okay, well that was an accident. I even tried it with the lightest pen.
If you get a nice circle, it will spin right around your thumb, which is really, really nice, but also really, 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 really hard to do with this pen.
And would you look at that?
It was the cleanest one ever.
I wasn't expecting to be able to do it with this pen. So every time it actually happened, it was just as exciting as the last time. And especially exciting when I would do it multiple times in a row. As a final test, I made sure that I could do this with every pen I had, from the heaviest to the lightest. So although something longer makes it easier, in truth, all you need is a pen. Just one pen.
No, come back here, I see you. Have you liked? Have you subscribed? Good job. My name's Declan McFern. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, share it with a friend, do all that. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one, because the next one's going to be really, really good. I hope. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.